Okay, now we're going to learn how to make a foxy puppet. Just get a square piece of paper, do a hot dog fold. Then you fold it in half this way, so it's a square. Like that. And then you undo it. Take the two edges to the middle, like this. Then you have it like this. Mine's already pre-folded, so it's a lot easier. And you push it down like this. So if it's like that, it's open. You push down. That. Then take the other one and do the same thing. Push it down. Now once you got that, it's going to look like that. Flip it over, and then you take one of the edges and bring it to the middle, that, and then do it the other side. Take one of them, take the left one, well, to you it's the right, and bring it up. So, and don't bring the other one up like this, don't. So it's like that. Once you got that, you bring it so it's like that. And then you bring it up like that. This, that, and then you flip it up. So it's like that to that. Flip it over and do the same thing with the other side. Okay. Now we open it up so there's this little opening. And once we do that, once we open it, you gotta push down in like this. So mine's already pre-filled, so it's already done. And you bring it down, and then you put your pointer and thumb in it, and you kind of shape it out. And there you go. You got your, here's the ears and the mouth. You got your foxy puppet. You can use regular printer paper. It'd be a lot easier because you could draw on it, and it's more fun.